I would like to welcome you all in Gdańsk. We are starting our meeting with special course about neuromonitoring, brain mapping and TMS.
I'm really happy that so many of you have interest on this topic. I think it's very interesting or important for us as surgeons to know how to use the technologies we have in surgery and how to interpret these technologies and the results of that by ourselves with help of our colleagues. You will have the chance in the workshops to make your questions, whether if you are an expert using the methodologies or a beginner.
The surgeon has to find a way how to continue with the surgery without evoking more edge veins. Because the longer they go on, the more
Well, I really liked today lectures because they were very interesting. I think that the main topic of these lectures are our best future, our best plan for neurosurgery in the future. It's gonna help with a lot of surgeries to overcome some obstacles. I hope I'm gonna see much more specific cases, because it's like it's a bit of their experience that I can gain from them, and that's how I'm gonna learn to become a better doctor in the future.